welcome everyone! So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own simple syrup and sour mix from scratch. So both of these ingredients are some of the most essential for making any kind of drink, and funny enough, they're not alcoholic. Alright, so let's start with the simple syrup. As it says, simple, super simple. We only need two things: sugar and water. If you want to dissolve the sugar more easy, heat up your water. Doesn't need to be cooking, just heat it up. Or if you need to have it ready to go for a drink you want to make in the next 5 minutes, just keep the water cold and stir a lot. Alright, so simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. So let's start with making 1 cup of simple syrup. So for the 1 cup, we're going to need half a cup of sugar. Alright, here we have half a cup of sugar. And another half a cup of water. So here I just cooked my water, cooled it off a little. And I'm going to pour this. 1 cup. Alright, so let's just stir it for a little. So just stir until the sugar has dissolved completely. And that's it. Here's our simple syrup. Nice and warm. And I personally like to play around with my simple syrup. So today I use the cane sugar. Just white sugar, whatever white sugar you like. If you want a little more flavor, depending on the cocktail, like for instance, I like to do mojitos with brown sugar. There might be other, more earthy drinks. You can make your simple syrup with brown sugar. Why not? Another sugar that is very sweet, but it has a more natural taste, is panela. And the great thing about panela is that it dissolves in no time. So another great option if you need to make your simple syrup quickly and want to keep it cool. So let's pour this into the bottle. And since there's a lot of sugar in simple syrup, it stays fresh for a long time. So you can just fill it into a nice container and keep it in your fridge. Alright, so now for the sour mix, we are going to need, first of all, our simple syrup, either homemade or you can buy it in the store in the bar mixer section. And then we're going to need our lime and lemon, or what I like to do when I'm in a rush, simply lime and lemon juice. The best is if you get like an organic 100% juice, nothing else but juice. It tastes pretty much as if you would have freshly squeezed it. Alright, so let's do it actually first with the juices. To each cup of simple syrup, we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of lime and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So here we go. 1, 2, and lime juice. 1 and 2. And as you can see, this is pretty much like a 1/4 cup of lime and lemon mixed together. Alright, so now the same thing with the lime and the lemon. We squeeze it a little bit to get the juices out easier. And it also makes it easier if you cut off the ends, which we usually always do in the bar, also for our garnishes, which we'll get to. Cut it in half. And put it in a lime or lemon squeezer. squeeze it out. I like to turn it around to get all the juices out. Now we do the same thing to our lemon, and we're gonna squeeze it out. Number 1 and number 2. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same amount as 2 tablespoons of each lemon juice. So we're going to take this juice. We're just making a cup here, but if you make more, it's definitely recommendable to use a big container. Always good to make a lot at the time because we need this for many drinks. And it stays fresh pretty long with all the sugar. Alright, so now our simple syrup. Homemade. We're going to take 1 whole cup. Definitely not a diet drink. Alright, pour it in. And with our nice and long bar spoon, we can give it a stir. Alright, let's try it. Great. So your sour mix should taste like a lemonade that is very concentrated. It's sweeter, more syrupy, and with a lot of sourness from the lime and lemon. So, of course, up to your taste, you can add a little more lime or a little more lemon. Just taste it out and then pour it into a container that you can close tightly so it will stay fresh longer. Funnels are always great to have. So here's our simple syrup, and here's our sour mix, and we're ready for many wonderful drinks. I hope this video was helpful and hope to see you for the next lesson. Cheers!